There he is. Dove Hunter of the Year. The Dustin Mallet.
Oh my God.
Oh man. This is how we're both feeling right now, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
We wanna go dove hunting, but we are exhausted. So this is how he slept last night, in case some of you are wondering.
Yeah.
This is so he could be ready.
Oh yeah.
Oh man, yeah, we're ready, folks, but we are tired. It is 5:11 right now. We woke up. Our alarms went off at 4:45.
Yep.
So any of you who are wanting to go dove hunting, don't do it. But no, I'm just kidding. It's gonna be fun. This is my first time, so I'm gonna go with my new gun I just bought. My first gun I just bought, and it's gonna be exciting. It's gonna be fun. Hopefully I don't shoot anybody. So, but I'm here with Dustin, my brother-in-law, and then I'm here with my father-in-law, Keith, and then a friend of his, Greg, and then two gentlemen from church that we know, Brother Kyle and Brother Larry, and we're here in Lawton, Oklahoma, about 4 hours from our home there in Tulsa. So, you guys will get to see some more videos later of some of the action, so just wanted to let you guys in on what we're doing, and it'll be a lot of fun. It'll be fun. So, we're excited. Right, Dustin?
Oh, yeah.
We're excited. Tell the people how excited you are. There you go, boys. These are what Keith called the awesome dove rounds.
They will get out there and touch somebody.
There's Keith, my father-in-law.
Hey,
he's the one that
good
asked me to
morning.
come on this hunt.
Yes.
That's his friend Greg there on the side.
Greg McGee.
And I've been taking notes from him, I'll tell you that right now. And then Dustin,
dropping them.
he's just here. So
The other Dustin.
yeah, the other Dustin, not our guide. Yeah. So we're just loading up now. And I don't,
Dustin's a
you
pretty
guys
good guy.
probably can't see it, but this is the field we'll be in. A couple of fields actually. So it is not even, sun's not even up yet. So we are up before the sun. Up before the sun. So there's Dustin's gun. That's a nice gun too.
Oh yeah.
It's a classic. It's a classic. So we'll see y'all in the field. Been a little slow for Dustin and I this morning, so hopefully we can start seeing some more and get some good shots off. You got him? Attaboy! Ah. Oh, there was one right there.
Oh, really?
One right here.
Here comes some to your right.
Ah. One went down right here.
Really?
Yeah. I don't know who got it.
That would have been you.
I got him on accident then.
Here comes one. Here comes one. There you go. Yeah. Keep your eye on it.
He's right there. Hey Dustin, can you confirm this for me? I've never seen one up close.
Hang on. Get down. All right. There you go, Josiah. Get it. Get it, Josiah. Yeah. Good shot, Josiah.
Where at?
Right in front of you. Right in front of you.
Oh, right there. Ah. I stopped. It's the biggest habit to break. Oh. You get him, Dustin? Oh, you got him! I had a bead on him too, just in case. Not that I doubted you. Oh, shoot. Oh, I got him, yeah!
Is that you?
Woo! We both got him. So are those them above us right there, or is that something else?
There you go, right there. Nice.
Is he? Oh, we're having a good time out here, boys. Hey, Dustin, above you. Come on. Dang it. It's amazing. You'll have some right in front of you, and you'll still miss them.
I'm at 9.
9? I think I've got 4.
Hey, that's good.
Well, and 5, counting that one we haven't seen.
Yeah.
I told Dustin when we first got out here, I was like, man, I'm so on high alert right now. I'm probably gonna hit a cicada or a dragonfly because there's a ton of them. You see those out of your peripheral, you think it's a dove from far off. So I'm glad I have it though.
You're right, Josiah. Right front. Here comes one, Josiah.
Yep.
Got him.
Ah. Oh, 2 right there. There we go. Come on, sucker. Ah! Gummit.
Finish him off, Josiah.
I'm trying. I didn't have any shells left. Man. Shoot. I winged him.
Yeah, you did. There's one that lit in the back of the field back here.
Dustin! There you go! Is that 10? Ah! Winged him. A lot of moving around in dove hunting, that's for sure. You get them down and then you gotta go grab them if you don't have a dog. So if you guys see me, since you guys are seeing me going in and out, that's what we're doing. So it's a lot of fun though. If you guys have never thought about this, you should, because it's great. It's good bonding time, and you know, you can improve your shooting skills, and got to be patient with yourself, because you're gonna miss a lot. I've missed a ton. I may have 6 doves or so, but I've missed a lot.
Here comes one, Josiah. Don't think about it. Shoot him. There you go.
Yeah. Ah. I'm gonna have to start using the bucket. He's in the field.
Did you wing him?
He landed in the field. to start using. No. Oh. Oh my gosh. Never mind, I have 8. Yeah, I missed another one. If we can find that one. Yeah. Well, how you be?
I'd be fine.
Yeah.
But my load's light.
Oh, right above you. You got it? There you go.
I think I'm gonna move. He's shooting at us.
He doesn't want the competition.
No kidding. Hey, what
Oh.
are you shooting?
There you go. There you go. Ah.
You shooting high brass?
What's that?
You shooting high brass shot?
Some of it, and then some was, well, no, it's low. Some of it was low, and some of it's high. Not much luck down there? No.
GoPro in it?
Trying to. How many you got?
5.
5.
How about you?
6 or 7? No, 8 or 9 maybe. Yeah. Yeah, it's pretty good shooting down here. So dove count between me and Dustin right now. Dustin's got 12, 13. I think he's got 13. He said he has 2 till the limit. So the limit you can have with doves here in Oklahoma is 15. Dustin's got 13. I think I have like 8 or 9. And then Greg, one of my father-in-law's friends, he's already hit his limit. And then I think Keith's got 11 or 12. So, and then some of the other guys that we're with, they've got, I think one's got a couple, and then the other guy's got about 5 or so. So pretty good shooting this morning. We're doing pretty good. Starting to slow down a little bit. We've hit a little bit of a lull, but they should pick up again. Dustin, 2 coming across. There you go. Yeah. Yeah. Woo!
Round 2.
Where's your bucket at? Look at you, right in the side. All right.
Yeah, buddy.
Keep your eye on it.
Ah, yep, I got him. Two, 4. 2 more for the limit, brothers and sisters. Oh, one right there. That's what we're doing. Dustin, his dad, my father-in-law Keith, and then Greg, family friend, all got their quota, their limit, which is 15. You can get only 15 a day, and right now I'm at 13, so I need 2 more. And then Brother Larry and Brother Kyle, 2 friends from church, they're both needing a little bit more than that. So we're gonna help them out, maybe walk through the milo fields, get them flushed out a little bit. Greg's back that way. Keith, I think, is back along the tree line, just trying to flush out these doves. They're coming back to this milo field to get some more feed to end the day. So we're right here waiting for them. And I guess Dustin's our decoy right now, so we'll get them. They're flying pretty good. Right now they're coming out of kind of the north, and then they're coming out of the east over here too, out of another wheat field over here. So it's been a good day. And then you'll hit them. All right, number 15, ladies and gents. Didn't think I could do it, but you know, when you have good people helping you out, makes it pretty easy. So learned a lot in just one day, and gonna keep doing it. It's been a lot of fun. So we're gonna try and get the other guys their quota, and hope you guys enjoyed it. We'll be back for maybe some more dove. Who knows? We're thinking about going boar hunting too, some hog hunting, which is gonna be a lot of fun. So stay tuned for that. Come on. There you go. There you go.
Oh, that's him.
That's 15.
Yeah. Yeah.
Got him. Thank you, Jesus.
Oh, baby. Oh, dang it. kidding me. Flush them out.
Shoot them like a quail.
Yep.
He said, kiss my foot.
That's the Christian version.
Yeah.
There you go.
Kill him, brother.
Yeah.
Oh,
You got him.
Right at the mojo. Come on.
Yeah! Woo! Brother Larry!
Yeah.
Good enough for now.
So we're cleaning the breast. Cleaning the breast. Here's Kyle. Got feathers all over.
Yes, we are.
All of us maxed out today. All of us 15.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
6 of us got 15.
6 of us
done.
got 15. That's 90, 95.
Wow.
95 doves. We're gonna eat good.
Yes, we are.
And then we got Papa Keith
Oh,
showing
we
us
got-
how to do this.
We got here's ones from this morning.
Yep, yep.
Right here. Right here.
Another one. That's what a clean dove breast
Right
looks like
here.
right there.
Wow.
Yep.
And working on another one
We're
here.
working on these right here.
This one's not that bad. It's a big breast there. I think that's the
Is that the Eurasian? There's Dustin. the faucet.
The faucet. We gotta have the faucet.
That's right.